Will taking a bath after exercise affect my muscle gains or performance?
Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today we're addressing a common query. Will taking a bath after exercise affect my muscle gains or performance? Let's dive into the details and clear up any misconceptions you might have.
What happens to our bodies during and after exercise?
First, let's understand what happens when we exercise. When we work out, our muscles undergo microscopic damage, causing inflammation and pain. This is normal and crucial because it triggers the body's repair process, leading to muscle growth and strength increase. Also, exercise results in an increase in body temperature and sweating, which is the body's way to cool down. Post-exercise, our bodies focus on recovery and muscle repair. The key factors to support this process include proper nutrition, sufficient sleep, and yes, even our bathing routines can play a role.
Can taking a bath after exercise affect muscle gains?
The short answer is, it depends. The effect of a bath on your muscle gains depends on the temperature of the bath and the timing. Cold baths or ice baths are often used by athletes after intense training sessions. This technique, known as cold water immersion or cryotherapy, can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. However, there's some evidence suggesting that frequent cold baths may slightly impede muscle gains in the long run, likely by reducing the inflammation that's integral to the muscle building process. This doesn't mean it will prevent muscle gains, but it might slow down the process marginally. On the other hand, hot baths can promote relaxation and increase blood circulation, aiding in the delivery of nutrients to your muscles, which can support recovery. Yet, taking a hot bath immediately after exercise might not be ideal as your body is already heated from the workout and a hot bath might lead to excessive body heat.
When is the best time to take a bath after exercise?
The ideal time to take a bath post-workout can depend on the bath temperature and your personal comfort. For cold baths, waiting about 15 to 20 minutes after your workout before you plunge in can be beneficial. This allows your body some natural recovery time. For hot baths, it is typically recommended to wait until your body has cooled down naturally, which is usually about 15 to 30 minutes post-workout. In both cases, it's important to listen to your body. If you feel excessively hot, lightheaded, or overly tired after your workout, it might be best to wait a little longer before getting into the bath. So, to answer our original question, taking a bath after exercise won't significantly affect your muscle gains or performance. However, the bath's temperature and timing can have slight effects on your body's recovery process. It's important to listen to your body and find the routine that works best for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey today, and here's to your continued fitness success.